how to fix Strava activity not syncing from a watch. So in here, the very first thing that you guys should do is check your connection. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Scroll down through your control panel, long press on this network icons here. Make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and also your watch actually syncs with the native app, right? So in here, if you're using like the Garmin Connect or Apple Health or Fitbit, just make sure that they are connected within your phone. So after doing that, another thing that you can do is try to relink the account. For that, you can open your Strava and then tap on your profile right here, and then from here get to your settings, and then in here what you're going to do is keep on scrolling until you find applications. And when you do find applications, you can simply tap on application, and then from there what you're going to do is simply disconnect the watch service, and then you can simply come back to it, and then you can simply reconnect it just like this, right? You'll actually be able to find the connect an app or device option. You can go that and connect your Garmin, your Apple Health, or it could be anything. So yeah, after doing all of these, I'm pretty sure that it will help you fix that issue. If not, then you can try to export your activity file from the watch portal or upload manually, and you can try to restart your devices, also like your smartphone and your watch, and I'm pretty sure after that your activity will now start syncing on your watch.